Welcome to our tutorial training for today. We are seeing our social media marketing training. And today we want to move on to Facebook. How do you create a Facebook? Like I told you, we always start from the scratch. So without wasting time, if you are with your phone, type www.facebook.com or go to Google, type Facebook. Click on it and it will open up on Facebook. If you are with your laptop, if you're using a laptop, so I'm using my laptop right now, also do the same thing, www.web.facebook.com, okay, or simply type www.facebook.com or go to Google and type Facebook. It's going to bring you here, okay. So right here, I want to create a fresh Facebook account. I will show you how I can create it, and also at the end of the training in this particular, I'll also show you how I can get crowd. If you are serious and follow our procedure, within a month or two, you can have up to 5,000 followers, friends, that you may later convert to followers. Okay, we are going to make use of we are going to create a profile, okay, Facebook profile. We're not yet going to create a page. Start with a profile and later also create a page on this particular Facebook. So without much ado, all you need to do is when you come over here, if you already have an account, you click on login. But this tutorial is for those who doesn't know how to create a Facebook account. And at the end of the day, there's a tip too. So if you already have a Facebook account, still hang on, because at the end of the tutorial, I will show you tips that will help you to get 5,000 subscribers in no time. You'll be surprised. Followers, sorry, not subscribers. 5,000 followers in no time. So that is a tip that will come at the end of today's training. So that in case you want to monetize, you can easily get monetized. And probably if you're able to do the necessary thing, in short distant time, say 3 months, 6 months or so, you can start getting payment from Facebook. So here you go down to create new account. Okay, so click on create new account. Now create new account has opened. The first thing asking is your first name. So put your first name and please put your real name. Okay, you know why? Because if you want to get monetized, Facebook may likely ask you to submit your international passport or any passport you're going to use. So for verification purposes, put your real name. So I put my real name. My first name is Emmanuel. The other one say surname. So there on surname, I'm going to put my surname and my other name. Okay. My other name is Chuks Ikeboze. That's all. So you now come over to your date of birth, do the same thing. Everything should be real. Okay, everything should be real. Don't put something that is not real. Okay. So anything you put here, you can also go later on go and change it. So there's no big deal about it. But still try to put things that are real. So I come over to my date of birth, click on it, and I choose date of birth. Okay. 20. Okay, for tutorial purposes, I won't really waste time, just put things so we can move on. Okay. 1966. Yeah, if you like, laugh. I just put it there. Let's move on. May, put May. Okay. No, let's try to be real, because this is Facebook will eventually cut up. Okay, so let's try to be real. Let's put the real ones. Okay, like I told you, put your real date of birth. Everything you put here should just be real. Okay, should just be real. Okay, we move on. So the next one now is asking for, let me, so I can be seeing what I'm doing. Please give me a minute. So let's continue. The next also should put a mobile number or email. So I'll put my email. I'll just come over here and copy my email and post it there. So if you prefer them to send message on your mobile number, you put your mobile number. If you prefer your email, you put your email. Okay. Then you create a password. Yeah, make sure that you create a password that you will always remember. Facebook is not like other social media. Please create a password that you always remember. Okay, I'll create mine now, and you create yours. Okay, please read what Facebook is trying to tell you for you to create your password. Okay, they said you should enter a combination of at least 6 letters. Okay, 6 numbers, then with a punctuation mark. Then I'll give you examples of punctuation marks. So make sure that you follow their procedure. And once you are done, come over here and click sign up. Okay. It's not difficult. It's very easy. Let it come up. Let's continue. So they want to verify the email address that I gave them. In case you also put your phone number, they also ask for verification. Okay, they'll send you a text message or a call. For me, they've told me that they want to tell me a code. I should go to my email and input the code. So let me go to my email and get the code. So here in my email, I've seen the code 06440. But I always like to copy things so that I won't make any mistake. So I'll copy it. Go over to my Facebook, and then paste it right here. Okay, and once you've pasted it, you click continue. Okay, now there's another instruction again. They say let's check it out. So hope you are following the processes. First of all, they ask to verify my email by sending me a code. If you use a phone number, they will ask to verify your phone number by sending you a text message that also contain a code, or maybe they'll give you a call. Okay, and when I do that, I put in the code that they sent me, then I say that everything is correct, and I'll be using my email address to sign in. Meaning that if you use your phone, it's likely using your phone number to sign in. So once you're up to this stage, you click OK. Okay, and let's see the next instruction that it gave us. Congratulations. Right now you've created your Facebook pay account, okay, your Facebook profile, and you don't know what you just did. With this, you're going to make a lot of things, and you'll be glad that you did it. So look at what our Facebook want to help us. See, remember password, that next time you log in the browser, you just need to click on your profile picture instead of typing your password. Is this not better? So they are trying to make things easy for you, because most times people forget their password and become a problem for them. So, but don't worry, I'll show you how you can actually secure this account. We are just starting. Just be patient. So let's come over here and click OK. Okay, you're not ready, you say next time, but for we are ready, so we click OK. So you ask us for a picture or a photo or anything. So you click on photo, so I can go and upload the photo. Okay, so you click add photo, right? Add photo. Okay, so add photo. It's going to open for us to. So when it open like this, it's not left for you to now and pick your pics wherever you keep it. Okay, maybe on your file, on your folder, or anywhere on your phone or your laptop. Okay, for me, there is something I use to save the photo. So let me check if I can still remember it. Okay, let me just use the word P. I know I use P something for it. Oh, sorry, let's go to my pictures on my download. So I go to download and search for it there on download. I'm not using this. I have another piece I want to use. Yeah, I want to use this. So I just click open. So this is exactly how you upload your picture, right? You can work on it if Facebook allow you to. After that, you just click next. Okay, so it will appear here. So now this is your page. This is your Facebook profile. We've ended up creating your Facebook profile. So now you can live video. You can add picture. That's the way I use. Add a video, add a picture, photo, the same process, but we'll also guide you later on. And also add a text. So let people engage with you, and you engage with people. Let them know that you've gotten a Facebook account. Advertise it to your friends, give it to them so that they can contact you. If you've gone here so far, I'll tell you congratulations. Now let me give you the secret. If you check now, you have no friend. Like me, I have no friend. Okay, but for you to have a friend, just click on friend. But try to click on friend, it will take you to add your location. I also try to do that in our next class. I'll show you how you can add your location, add the necessary address, add every other thing. And once you are through with that, then you now start adding friends. Add as many friends as possible, depending on your niche. Okay, don't just go about adding friends. Come to this search button, type the friends that belong. Let's say, for example, that this mine is about basic financial education. So I type finance education or accounting or anything relating to finance, okay, or anything relating to inspirational, or anything relating to gospel, preaching, anything. By the time you type it there, they will bring you a lot of people, similar people that deals the same thing with you. So add this kind of people as your friend. You know why? Because they are the one that, since you have the similar interest, both of they will likely remain on your on your profile, and they will likely watch your videos, and they will likely interact with you, and they will likely stay with you. So it's not about adding friends, but them staying permanently with you. Okay, and that we can easily get as many friends as possible, because any interest you belong, there are thousands, millions of friends online here on Facebook who also have shared that same interest. So search for them, add as many as you can. Once you get to 5,000, before we get there, I'll show you what you can do to convert them to followers. Okay, and before you know it, let me not talk much. So see the next class where we now decide to work on all these things. I'll show you how one by one what you need to do, how you can fill the remaining ones and add up everything. Thank you for hanging around with Steven today, and see you in our next class. Kindly create your Facebook account, watch it again if you didn't understand it, and create your account.